Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
You was about to get the Pinot Grigio. I'm like, why did you about to get that?
She looks like the girl of mine. Devil in a dress, angel in some nightmares. I could've sworn I went to sleep and she was right here. Don't know if I seen her in my dreams or my nightmares. Think it was my nightmares. And I think I need your love. I don't need no one selfish. Wonder if I gave this girl my heart, could she help it? Yeah, you know she's an angel. If you let her tell it, baby, hot as hell. She got kicked out of heaven. You know I love them braces, them big lips, that risky. You know I love them faces, she make me.
Okay, y'all, so I'm taking out my twist that I had with my locks. The hair is growing. It looks shriveled up because I got all this oil and stuff in it. It's kind of wet because I was trying to get that build up, because the build up is real, honey. I down there had locks. My hair is shedding so much because I'm sitting here trying to comb out this build up. The section at the front left, that's what I'm about to go ahead and finish. It took me, I've been doing this for about an hour, I say, going on. I'm trying to debate if I want to wash my hair tonight. I don't really know if I'm gonna wash my hair tonight, just because, I mean, I can wash my hair tonight and then like just deep condition it and stuff, but I low-key want to wait until tomorrow. But then it's like I just want to do the styling portion tomorrow. And when I say the styling portion, I just might twist it or something and just go ahead and like wash it and stuff tonight. It's just I got some homework assignments that I'm trying to do. I got homework that's due tomorrow, but I want to go ahead and knock some of it out just so I won't have so many, like just have so much work to do tomorrow when I get off work. But we'll see. I'm really just gonna see how the night gonna go, because either way the work gonna get done, and at this point that's kind of all that matters, because I'm trying to get me right, okay? Like for real. Yeah, I'm about to finish taking this out. I hope I don't look orange or look crazy, but I just got out of class. I was about to say I'm on my way home. I'm eating these Twix right now because I'm hungry, but I'm about to go home and fix me something to eat. I really got to use the bathroom, so I need to be hurrying up and leaving. get ready to go to the house and really just probably chill. I'm kind of tired. I am extremely tired. I don't know. I think because I was probably doing a lot last night. I don't really know. And just I think it's more so of a mental exhaustion. I really think that's what be making me tired, because like physically I can do stuff, if that makes sense, but like I'm just mentally exhausted. That's how I can explain it, because it's not like a body tire or like, I mean, my body a little, but it's more so like in the head. That's why I feel like it's more of like a mental. But okay, I'm about to start rambling about that.
Heart been broke so many times.
Hold on, sugar. Daddy's got a sweet tooth tonight.
Mama say it's my fault. It's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Niggas put my heart on
South Carolina. And this is it. We stand remember, Buggy Mule going to church.
Y'all, today has been a day. It hasn't even really been a day, but I'm popping back in. I'm done from my art class, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on, besides my lip liner and eyelashes. Call it makeup if you want to. It's my makeup for me, period. Like I was saying, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that you don't take it wrong. You heard? Okay, let me be serious, because why did I just get goofy? Like, why? I'm really just chilling right now. I want to take a nap so bad, but days like this, I do not be wanting to take a nap, especially when I got class in the morning. Sorry if y'all hear noise too, because I have my window open, so the disrespect right now that's going on outside, just don't even mind it, because I'm trying not to, you know? But I digress. I do want to do my work. I have a PowerPoint that I have to make by tomorrow, that I have to make for the group discussion. I want to work on that tonight, because my teacher got it to where if we submit it early, that's when it's, you know, you can potentially get 100%. So I'm trying to get it in early, even though on time should still be able to get that potential 100%. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, once again, digress. School. I'm so ready for a break. Like, a break is calling my name. I need a vacay, staycay, all K, daycay. Like, please, ASAP. I'm fighting my sleep, and I'm just really about to chill for the most part. I wanted to pop back in because, yeah, that's what I gotta do to keep up with the vlog. But more than likely, y'all might just see me tonight. I might record a little bit doing my work, get some clips of that. But other than that, if I don't pop in, that's what I've been doing. You know? The girls that get it. The ones that don't, won't. Period. Hey y'all, I'm right in the sun with it. I was like, let me hop back in. I just been chilling at the class. As soon as I got home, I started doing that PowerPoint that I had due today. I had some homework that's due tonight at 11:59, and I was like, let me go ahead and knock that out. I'm trying to go ahead and knock out my assignment that I have due for tomorrow too, but I had to email my teacher. This is why I don't like online classes, because I do not like to go through email. At least in person, we handle it in person. You know what I'm saying? But y'all, I'm in the sun. You see her? It's the glow. I love a good sun glow. No, nothing. Bare face just eat for me every time. I need to do my individual lashes again. I've been taking a break from them and just doing my strips, but I think I'm about to get back into doing those. I might do some this weekend, but I don't know yet. We're gonna be chilling. That's why I wanted to pop in. This vlog has been really chill and really just pertaining to class. And it was more fun in the beginning because I was doing festivities. I would go to the store and get me some wine. I'm gonna probably go do that when I go out. And yeah, just chill for the night, relax, wind down, because this week it just has been full of mental exhaustion. So yeah, I just really want to cleanse my energy and just feel good, relax myself, and yeah, just mentally cleanse. It's really needed right now, honestly. That's really that though. I wanted to come back home, pop in for the vlog because, yeah, have a little, as you could say, join my little session with me. But yeah, I need to do my hair too. I'm probably gonna go ahead and twist my hair tonight too because it is puffy. I just been laying on it. I ain't even been twisting it or nothing that night. The most I've been doing is just splitting it in half, putting it in 2 little big twists, and going to bed. So it can use a good little detangle, some moisturizer, and yeah. But I really haven't been trying to like over moisturize my hair because when I did take my locks out, I did do like a hot oil treatment. And just really, yeah, I set that in for a couple of days, like twice. I did a hot oil treatment first, and then I had set some more, I did another hot oil treatment once I had combed and detangled my hair and stuff and let that sit in again. Basically, I did 2 hot oil treatments, so right now she real moisturized. That's really that. I wanted to pop in, catch some little light. I'm probably gonna pop in later on today when I go get some wine and stuff, and I probably will if I do like another little bath and mask tonight. Oh, I gotta get some more mask stuff. I just thought about it. I'm talking about doing another mask, and I ran out of my Aztec clay, so I do need to get some Aztec clay too. So I probably can get that while I'm out, honestly. Yeah, that's really that. Yeah, we'll pop back in and see the vibes. Pack in the mail. I got some new a new top coat and new gel top coat and base coat for my nails because as you can see, they are not. Ooh, this.
Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry y'all had to see that. They get teary-eyed.
To look at them, honey. The nails ain't looking the best. They're a little dirty, but as you can see, I don't have the color on anymore. But yes, I'm gonna reapply those, redo my nails. But yes, let me open it. Okay. We'll see what it's working like, what it's working with. We'll see what it's working with. I don't know why.
Early in the morning, late at night. You don't even matter what time it is.
Okay, y'all, excuse me if my camera look blurry. I don't know why it's looking like that. Just got off work, y'all. What's goody in the hoodie? I'm about to stop to Walgreens and probably the smoke shop, and then I'm gonna go in the house, and I'm gonna just wind down, chill for a second, pour me a glass of wine, smoke my J, and then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on homework that I have to do. I got homework that's due tonight. I got a 1-page little paper to write or whatever, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that knocked out, and then yeah, that should really be that for the most part. I feel like, but yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get ready and head it in the house and wind down. I'm gonna probably pop back in later because I want to do my nails tonight, but it's just really on how quick I want to do this paper. All I need is like a good little hour, really an hour and 30 minutes, because I gotta watch this for my online class, so I gotta watch these little videos or whatever. So watch those videos, and they shouldn't be no more than like 30 minutes. One was like 20 minutes, I think, or 20 something minutes, and then the other one probably the same. So I'd say about 30-40 minutes of watching the videos, and then yeah, that'll really be that. So I'll probably check back in when I'm doing my nails or something, or whatever the case may be. I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, rising, y'all, next day. I'm about to get ready to go to some stores because I got to get on the road in a little bit to get ready for the family reunion. I twisted my hair this morning because the twists are glistening, just shriveling by the second. Shriveling. I'm about to go ahead and head out and do that. Hopefully I can find something, maybe like a red sweats. I don't even know what I'm looking for, just something red and cute. I did want to make something, but I had homework and stuff, and time calls for different measures, you know?
What's it going on? Tu vas comme, oh, depend, ride it with me. I know we die for nothing.
This is gonna be the end of the vlog because I am about to go ahead and start a new one, but I hope you guys enjoy. So I wanted to go ahead and close this out. It was kind of all over the place, but I'm about to close this one out right now because I'm about to go ahead and start a new one. So I wanted to go ahead and close this one out. But this is the end of the vlog. We're on the road to 500 subscribers. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Interact with your girl. A whole lot of peace, love, and dopeness.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.